Good morning, all of you. I am Mani Mahesh going to discuss about the cello foundation. First of all, in the cello foundation, we have to know about the bearing capacity of the soil. Then the bearing capacity is the supporting power of the soil to support the external footing without shear failure and without excessive settlement of the soil. Means whatever the shear force is coming on the foundation, that should be easily bear by the soil without any settlement. The minimum gross pressure, weight of building plus weight of footing plus soil filling weight, intensity of the base of the footing on which the soil fails in shear, the ultimate called ultimate bearing capacity. Means the minimum gross pressure intensity of the base of the footing on which the soil fails in shear is called ultimate bearing capacity. The means the limit at which the soil is fail in shear. Okay, that's called. Here we can see. Suppose that this is the foundation level and the load is coming from here. The soil which is here is carrying the load of the building, weight of the footing and the soil filling weight. It should the point at which the soil is fair to resist this load is called the ultimate bearing capacity. The minimum net pressure excluding soil fill intensity of the base of the footing on which the soil fails in shear is called net ultimate bearing capacity, represented by QNU. Means QNU is equal to QU minus gamma D. QU here ultimate bearing capacity, and we minus there the weight of the footing. So we can easily know what is the bearing capacity of the soil, what is the ultimate bearing capacity of the soil, and what is the ultimate bearing capacity of the soil. Next, the net ultimate bearing capacity is divided by factor of safety and the net safe bearing capacity on which the soil does not fail in shear, represented by QNS. The QNS is equal to QNU divided by F. QNU here the net ultimate bearing capacity, and net ultimate bearing capacity is equal to QU minus sigma dash here gamma dF divided by factor of safety. The maximum load intensity including surcharge pressure on base of the footing on which the soil does not fail in shear is called safe bearing capacity of soil, represented by QS. QS is equal to QNS plus sigma dash. QNS is equal to QU minus sigma dash upon F, that is safe bearing, plus gamma dash, this is safe bearing capacity of the soil. Means on this capacity the soil will never fail in shear. The maximum load intensity on the base of the footing on which the soil neither fail in shear nor in excessive settlement is called allowable bearing capacity of the soil. The load intensity means वह लोड जिसके ऊपर सॉइल फेल ना करे, किसमें ना शेयर में फेल करे और ना सेटलमेंट में फेल करे, उसको हम बोलते हैं अलाउबल बेयरिंग कैपेसिटी. Bearing capacity of soil has been developed by following scientists: Mr. Rankine classified theorem, delta F is equal to BC upon R 1 minus sin phi upon 1 plus sin phi whole square. We can see here this is the ultimate bearing capacity Q divided by R, or this is the active pressure. So we can derive that QS is equal to DF, that is depth of the footing, into gamma into Kp का square. So there are different scientists have done different application of the soil. Next, the net ultimate bearing capacity is divided by factor of safety is called net safe bearing capacity on which the soil does not fail in shear, represented by Qn is equal to, which we already discussed. These are the some formula which is derived by different scientists: Mr. Pendit, Mr. Tarjagi, Mr. Scampton, Mr. Mehru, Mr. Bryn Hansen, Mr. Basics. There are different formulas. According to those formula, we have to discuss about the soil bearing capacity. Okay, now going back to here and give the some brief introduction about the soil. What happened? The shallow foundation is a dead foundation where suppose this is the depth and this is the width. The depth by width ratio, the depth by width ratio is less than 1. If the depth by width ratio is less than 1, then it is called shallow foundation. If the depth by width ratio is greater than 1, then it is called deep foundation. According to the different scientists, they had defined the differentiate between shallow and deep foundation. As we know, the shallow foundation is different type, end bearing, mat foundation, and there are so many others type of foundation. There are shallow foundations. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about how we calculate the bearing capacity in the shallow foundation according to the these different method. Here we can see, if the load is coming from the soil, this the load is directly come on the soil and the stress is divided into the three zone. We can see here the linear shear zone, first one which we called Rankine passive zone, second one radial shear zone, and last radial shear zone, and first one is soil waste zone. The zone is divided in three types. Okay, so according to the these zone we calculate the bearing capacity of the soil. So here these are the Tarjagi's some basic assumption. After that, the case of the general shear failure. Okay, these case we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.